Hi, what is Table.Combine in PowerQuery? Now, in Microsoft documents, right, Table.Combine means that it combines to a list of tables, right, returns a table that is the result of merging a list of tables, a list of tables. So how to create a list of tables? I have no idea until I do that, right? So you can see that table to combines, and the table is really in a list. You use a curly bracket to enclose these two tables. How do you do that, right? You might come across that, but you're not aware that this is table to combine. Same as me as well. So I'm gonna close that. So we created two tables, right, that are similar structures with product IDs and product ID as well. And one table we give a name called transaction, and the other tables we got a transaction two, right? It can be a long list, right? But now we just use two, and then we convert it into a connections, right? Using this data, go to get and transform. And before that, you make sure you select that tables and click on from tables. And then you go to close and load, and choose as only create connections, right? Choose this item here and click OK. And I have already done that in earlier, so therefore I already have my trans tables right here. And now I'm creating the second one for trans 2, right? Transaction 2. So do the same. Um, Click on this from tables range. So I have another one, right? And I just close the load and load it to only create connections, right? Let's go trans 2. Now let's just go ahead and create a third one, right? To represent that ID quantity, right? So this may be the March sales, right? So we have another one, 3, 2, 1, 4, and here we just okay. So same things, right? Control T, turn it into Excel table and give that name called trans transaction tree, right? So 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to the data tab again from table and range. All right, so we done this. Now we're gonna load it. Now in this table, right, I'm going to combine with the other field, right? And there is no word for combine here, but there is append, right? So basically, it's appending query. So append query. So I have more than that, right? So I'm combine trans two, right? So yeah, so I can adjust it according to what I want, right? So maybe can I just drag it? No, not just very right. I just click OK. Now notice that it's now in the page of combine. See that? So I'm just close this step. Wait, I want to delete this step, right? This is not necessary. Now they are combine the source, which is the transaction tree, combined with the other two query or tables, right? If you go to view advanced editor, it's using the table.combine. So we have the source, we have a trans, we have trans2, and finally go to this step. Now this step, if you want to change, or you can do so, right, just by writing that, and that is just there. Or you can just give the name called combine all. Okay, and you can see that combine all, right? Now the difference is that if there's no space in between, you do not need the hash key, hash sign, right? You don't need that. So that's how you use table to combine, right? Combine several tables together, right? And let's explain this. Return the table. So I hope this is helpful to you. And thanks for watching. You're amazing. Believe that.